The royal family is abuzz with joy as Princess Beatrice and her husband, Edoardo Mapelli Mozzi, announced they're expecting their second child. With Buckingham Palace confirming the exciting news, Beatrice, 36, is preparing to welcome a new addition to their growing family in 2025. The upcoming royal baby will join 3-year-old Sienna and 8-year-old Wolfie, Beatrice's stepson. Princess Beatrice's journey into motherhood continues to unfold beautifully, as Buckingham Palace has officially shared that the couple will be welcoming their second child in early 2025. The news is met with excitement from both sides of the family, including King Charles and the Duke and Duchess of York, Beatrice's parents. The child will be a sibling to their daughter Sienna, born in 2021, and a half-sibling to Edoardo's son Wolfie, from his previous relationship with architect Dara Huang. Both children are growing up in a nurturing and close-knit environment, with Beatrice embracing her role as a hands-on mother. The royal pair, who are not working royals but maintain close ties to the family, have been residing at St. James's Palace while their home in the Cotswolds undergoes renovations. The announcement came with 2 heartwarming family photos, capturing the essence of their everyday life. In one, Sienna, in bright yellow wellies and a charming blue puddle suit, walks hand-in-hand with her father and big brother Wolfie, embodying the family's love for the outdoors and each other. The second image features a glowing Beatrice, smiling happily as she is embraced by Edoardo, who gazes affectionately at his wife. These candid moments offer a glimpse into their strong family bond, which is evident in the way they navigate both public and private life. Beatrice, despite her royal lineage, has always kept her personal life relatively low-key, though moments like these allow the public to celebrate her growing family. The baby will not hold the title of HRH but will still be born into a family rich in tradition and history. As the 14th great-grandchild of Queen Elizabeth II, the baby will hold a unique place in the royal lineage, becoming 11th in line to the throne. This new addition will also further connect Beatrice's family with that of her younger sister, Princess Eugenie, who recently welcomed her second child, Ernest. The cousins, along with the other young royals such as Prince George, Princess Charlotte, and Prince Louis, are poised to form the next generation of Windsor. Beatrice and Edoardo's love story has captivated the public since their whirlwind romance began. Having known each other since childhood, they reconnected romantically in 2018 and were engaged just a year later during a vacation in Positano, Italy. The couple married in a private and intimate ceremony in 2020, with Queen Elizabeth II in attendance, further solidifying their place within the royal family. Edoardo, known for his charm and noble Italian heritage, has not only brought joy to Beatrice's life but has also become a beloved figure in royal circles. Together, they balance their royal responsibilities with their professional lives, Beatrice as a VP of partnerships at a tech firm, and Edoardo as a successful property developer. As Princess Beatrice and Edoardo Mapelli Mozzi prepare for the arrival of their second child, excitement builds within the royal family and among royal fans. With Sienna and Wolfie ready to take on their new roles as older siblings, the family looks forward to embracing this next chapter together. Though Beatrice keeps a relatively private life, moments like this remind the world of the enduring charm of the royal family. The spring of 2025 will undoubtedly bring new joy, as Beatrice and Edo continue to share their love and happiness with those around them.